Welcome to Richpeace Embroidery CAD software online lessons. Today's teach you texture stitch. Texture is a decorative fill stitch, also used to fill large areas or irregular shape. It can create uniquely and artistic effect and close stitch for pattern. At first make object with complex fill tool. Select object and convert to texture stitch from object property. You can change texture parameter from object property. You can also choose another style from here. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow again.